Are you looking to switch out your Jeep's interior trim but don't want to spend a lot? Especially if you're not sure you'll love the look? I've got a solution. Stick-on trim pieces that let you try out new styles without any commitment. These pieces come in a variety of colors, letting you pick the perfect match for your Jeep. Choose from bold options like blue, red, and orange, or keep it classic with black and silver, all designed to bring your interior to life. To get started, make sure the surface is clean and dry. Use rubbing alcohol and a microfiber cloth to remove any residue. If the temperature is below 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the adhesive for improved bonding. Then press and hold each piece in place. It's quick, simple, and instantly transforms your interior. Here's a look at how each color shines. Whether you choose the vibrant red or subtle black, each trim piece brings out a unique style, giving your Jeep a customized look that's all your own. And the best part? We're so confident you'll love it that if you're not 100% satisfied, you can return it within 30 days for a full refund, no questions asked. Plus, it comes with 1 year of aftercare support. So, if you're ready to add a fresh look to your Jeep, try these stick-on trim pieces. They're affordable, easy to install, come in a range of colors, and are backed by a satisfaction guarantee. Upgrade with confidence.